YouTubers, my name is Kendra Elliott. I am a paparazzi independent consultant number 253010. And today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, easy, and cheap ring display for less than $20 using only 3 items. But before I get started, make sure you subscribe this channel so that you can get all my latest and updated videos. And the first item we will need that I got from my local Joann's is a 60 ring thread spool for only $9.99. The second item I would need is some spray paint that I got from my local Walmart for only $3.96. The color we're using today will be berry pink, which is a very pretty color. And then the last item we will use is some end foam rollers, a pack of 14, which is 5 by 8 inches, the small pack. All right. So the first thing I would do is I'll take my spray paint and I'll coat it evenly over my spool, my thread spool. It depends on if you want it dark or light. It's totally up to you, but I did 2 coats just to give it that color that I love. So I did let it dry for a whole 24 hours. Once I let it dry, I came back and I once again spray painted it. And then once I spray painted it and let it dry for another 24 hours, now I'm ready to add my foam rollers. So what I did is I take one foam roller and I evenly cut it into 5s. Once I cut it into 5s, I take my rollers and I nicely place them onto my spool rack. And the reason why we're placing these foam rollers onto our spool rack is to give it stability and make sure that it holds nice and pretty on our display. It also keeps the ring stable. It doesn't let it sag. It doesn't cause it to turn. These foam rollers makes a great difference to your display. So you'll add them all the way down, and once we complete that, I'll come back and show you the end process.